Thomas Carlyle says, go as far as you can, and when you get there, go further. I love that because it pretty much says, don't limit yourself. Anything goes here. Dream it up. It's your life. A Forbes magazine national survey of 1,100 people and 500 small business owners reported that 67% of them believe that pictures of their goals will improve the odds that they'll achieve them. And 2/3 say visualizing their goals helps them to develop a business plan. One more stat for you. 82% of small business owners that use a vision board from the get-go reported that they have accomplished more than half the goals they included on that board. That's powerful. It's simply saying, see it, envision it, dream it. This is your time. Don't be afraid. What if no one else was watching? What if you had all the opportunity in the world? No one's depending on you, no circumstances. Of course, I know that that's not real life. There are responsibilities, and you do have things that, are part of your life. I understand that. But for just right now, let's let those go. Just imagine, let them fall off and say, I'm free. And what do I want more of? Create, open up, be visionary. Do whatever helps you kind of think next level. Talk to people, vision, value, hone in on things, reach, doodle. I once took an entire sheet of plywood and I just started writing all over it in paint, right? It just felt good. It was a way I could get it out, and I visioned. And I've done many vision boards. I have one that I look at on the daily. What I've realized that in the last 6 months, maybe even a year, a lot of those things I'm doing right now. And I'm proud of it because I thought about it. I was excited about it. I thought, that's kind of a cool idea. I'm excited. I want this to happen. And by putting it in front of myself every day, I started to see, this too can be part of my life, and I'm going to make that happen. One of my favorite things that I like to do is improv. It's kind of a happy place for me. I found it at a time when I just needed to get creative. Where's your place that you can get creative? Is it working with kids? Is it working in art? Is it playing a sport? Where do you get creative that you can start to feel that juice? Because when you do, it builds and it builds and it builds. And this improv concept of, they have this rule, and it's yes and. You never say no in improv, because if you do, guess what? You've killed the scene. So you never say, no, that's not going to work. I can't go with that. Instead, you are in creative perpetual response, and you're simply saying, give me what you want and I'm going to go with it. So you're ready. Person gives you something, you create a scene with them and you go. This concept of yes, and I'm going to build on it. Do that for yourself. Take one small idea. I'm going to use Friday afternoons as a moment for me to create vision. Yes, and I'm going to tear some things out of a magazine to put it on a vision board. Yes, and I'm going to get it laminated. Yes, and I'm going to put it on my mirror. I'm going to put it in my wallet. I'm going to put it all over the place. Whatever it takes for you, yes, and yourself. Allow that to happen. My dad always had a picture of the Florida Keys in his wallet. Guess where they live right now? In the Florida Keys. And he always knew that that was something that he would see every single day that just reminded him of what he wanted. And then simply create the steps. What do I need to do? What's one thing I can do to get me closer to that? What's one thing I can do to get me closer to living in that area of the United States? What's one step I can take that will ready me enough for that next job that I'm really hopeful for? Whatever it is, break it down, look at it. And after a while, you'll look ahead and realize you're living the life exactly how you envisioned. Doing what you want, feeling the way you want to feel, as if only once written in a notebook.